I'm not the hero of this story. I'm a man who's been corrupted by his own unbearable pain. I'm a man who has too much blood on his hands to be called good. I'm a man who had nothing to live for until the day I met the Flash.
Hey! What's up mga ka-otap? This is Autoworks and welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please subscribe to this channel. Just click the red button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future uploads ko. And for today's episode, we're going to unbox and review, or we're going to review the Batman Thomas Wayne. So sa mga hindi nakakalam, Thomas Wayne is the father of Bruce Wayne, but in the alternate timeline of Flashpoint. So, si Thomas Wayne yung nabuhay sa panahon na yon, or sa timeline na yon. So, in the alternate timeline of Flashpoint, Robert Joe Chill killed the young Bruce Wayne rather than his parents. So, as a result, Thomas Wayne wishes to revenge, so took a mantle of Batman, and unlike his son, he is more ruthless, and his action is as he is happy to kill any criminal that gets in his way. So that is Thomas Wayne as Batman in the Flashpoint storyline. So let's now go ahead and check first the box of this McFarlane and check the accessories or some items that also includes in this figure. But before we do that, let's go ahead and roll the intro. Let's now go ahead and check the box of Thomas Wayne and also the other items that includes in this box. So in the front of the box, we have a huge window. So as you can see in the back, makikita natin yung card and as well the stand. So ito yung card at ito yung stand. So makikita niyo naman obviously. So side, meron tayong small window. On the top, we also have a small window. On the other side, we have Batman Flashpoint on the bottom part and on the back. So, ito yung design na makikita natin doon sa loob ng card or doon sa card mismo. So, it's the same design. Napakaganda at napakaangas nun. And here's the other wave of the McFarlane DC Multiverse. And I think that's it. That's for the box of Thomas Wayne. And here's the figure itself, the McFarlane Batman Thomas Wayne. So I'm so excited to have this figure. So I've been waiting this for so long. But first, let's go ahead and check some other accessories na kasama ni Batman. So we have here the gun, the two desert gun na nagamit ni Batman. Focus lang natin yung camera. Okay, so yes, so for the gun, so very simple lang. So wala siya ibang other separated color, just a plain black. Pero napakaganda ng details ng Desert Eagle na to. And here's the other one, same lang din sila. So just a plain black color, no other separated color. Pwede natin siyang ilagay sa holster na sa gilid ng legs ni Batman. And let's put the other one. Teka lang, hindi ko ma-shoot. Okay. So, yun. Napakaganda at napakasimple lang. Napakadaling ilagay sa holster yung gun ni Batman. Okay, let's naman go ahead and take a closer look to the figure itself. So, grabe. Sobrang ganda talaga ng Batman na to. Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang linis ng paint application. At sa tingin ko, sobrang comic accurate ng Batman na to. At napakaganda talaga ng paint application. Look at the face of Batman. And here's the cape. So, just a plain black. At ito yung back ng figure itself. Napakaganda nun at napakalinis din. Okay. And here's the Bat logo. So, meron siyang red na bilog do sa loob. Pero gloss siya. So, gloss black at gloss red ang logo. And here's the belt. So, medyo siguro semi-gloss yung body at yung belt niya na plain red lang. And for the body itself, so I think yung body niya, yung lower torso niya, so meron lang akong medyo gripes sa lower torso niya kasi parang lagi siyang nakatabingi. Pero other than that, ito yung gloves ni Batman. So tingnan niyo naman, meron siyang mga details na scratches. So maganda siguro ito kung magkakaroon ng washes. para lumabas yung detail nun. Okay, but here's on the other side of the gloves, and here's the belt of Batman. So utility belt, so just a plain red, walang other details, walang other separated color, but this holster is not attached on the legs, so separated siya. So hindi siya nakadikit dito, so hindi siya maghihinder pag ginalaw natin yung legs ni Batman, but the belt itself is attached on the waist of Batman. And here's the back, as you can see here. Okay, and for this one, I thought meron siyang swivel dito, pero wala siyang cut. But for the armor on the knee, napakaganda rin ng details, just a plain black. And for the boots, so as you can see, meron tayong gun hole dito. Meron din siyang mga scratches. And on the other side, meron din siyang scratches. But on the back of the boots, napaka simple lang. So makinis yung likod niya, wala siyang mga scratches, unlike sa front. So ito yung boots niya. And for the boot itself, or for the feet, so meron tayo ditong gap dahil dun sa joint niya sa paa. And here's the bottom of the feet. Okay, but for the face, look at the face. Grabe yung gloss ng ng mata niya. And as you can see on the side, at tinan nyo naman yung balbas niya. Napakaganda rin ang pagkakagawa nun. Kaya focus natin, silip natin sa ilalim. So yan, napakaganda. Sobrang ganda lang. Sobrang tontuwa ako dito sa Batman Thomas Wayne. But for the shoulder, so yan naman tayo ditong hard plastic. So siguro maghihinder to pag pinangat natin yung shoulder. But other than that, I think that's okay. So okay, so for the figure itself, so I think that's it. So let's naman go ahead and take or let's go ahead and check naman yung articulation ni Thomas Wayne. And for the articulation of Thomas Wayne, so for the head of Thomas Wayne, let's try this side. Okay, teka, dito na nga sa kabila. So for the head, he can tilt up to this one. So okay lang, napakasagad din nun, napakaganda nun. And he can tilt down up to this one. So yan yung pinakayuko niya. I think we have a dumbbell joint. So meron tayong movement sa neck, forward and back. And tilt side by side. May also have tilt side by side. Focus lang natin yung camera. Sorry. Focus ka naman. Cam. Okay. So for the tilt side by side, sobrang wide nung tilt niya side by side. I'm not sure bakit ganun, pero yan. Malawak yung side by side niya, but he can also rotate 360 or side by side as well. And for the arms, he can raise sidewards or outwards up to this one, since meron tayong mantle or meron tayong cape na nakaharang sa shoulder niya, but kaya niyang itaas hanggang ganito. Okay, but for the 360 rotation, hindi natin siya ma-rotate kasi nga nakaharang yung cape niya. Okay, but we have also as well a butterfly joint here. So ito yung forward niya, and here's the back. Teka, try natin isagad. So I think that's it. But we also have a bicep swivel and double jointed elbow. Okay, so ito yung pinakasagad niya. Okay, and for the hands, so for the hands, we can rotate. Teka, focus natin yung camera. So we can rotate 360 and forward and back. And for the body of the Thomas Wayne, so meron tayo itong upper torso and lower torso. So for the upper torso, kaya niya mag-crunch forward na hanggang ganito lang. Sobrang minimal lang ng crunch forward niya. But for the lean back, kaya niyang sumagad hanggang ganito. Okay, but we have a huge gap in the front, as you can see here. So for the lower torso, pag crunch forward natin, or yan, sa upper torso, pwede natin siyang ikot-ikutin. But for the lower torso, medyo matigas. I'm not sure but matigas to. But I've seen several reviews na kaya niyang iikot yung lower torso ni Thomas Wayne. At sa akin, medyo matigas siya. Okay. Okay, that's for the body articulation. Let's naman go ahead and do the legs. So he can split up to this one. So ito yung sagad ng split niya. Okay, so that's for the legs. But he can also kick forward up to this one. That's the farthest, and kick backward up to this one. Again, we don't have a thigh swivel. So yun yung medyo gripe sa leg part niya. So wala tayong thigh swivel, so very minimal lang yung movement. So mahirap pa tayo masyadong i-vanilla pose or is-pukaka. But for the knee, we have a double jointed knee na kayang hanggang ganito kasagad. So yan yung sagad ng double jointed knee niya. And we also don't have a boot swivel or boot rotation. So wala tayong boot rotation as well. So wala tayong thigh swivel, wala rin tayong boot rotation. But for the feet, he can forward and back up to this one and a rocker. And we also have medyo matigas to. Ito try natin sa kabila. So we have a toe articulation. Sobrang luwang naman dito sa kabila. So I think that's it for the articulation of Batman Thomas Wayne. Let's naman proceed to size and comparison of this McFarlane Batman Thomas Wayne. So Thomas Wayne stand tall. Let me check here. So Thomas Wayne stand tall. So I think 7 inches flat si Thomas Wayne on top of his head, not his ear but his head. But for the size comparison to the other figures, let me stand Thomas Wayne first. Okay, so we have here, so again, medyo nakakairita tong lower torso ni Thomas Wayne kasi yung sa akin is parang lagi siya nakatabingi, so hindi siya pantay. So medyo yun lang yung nakakairita dito sa nakuha kong Thomas Wayne. So as you can see, parang siya lagi nakaside yung lower torso niya. But for the comparison of other figure, we have here Batman McFarlane, the Comic 1000, Detective 1000. So we also have here, let me grab here, the Batman from the Dark Knight series. Okay, so as you can see, mas maliit si Thomas Wayne compare sa dalawang Batman natin. So mas maliit lang siya ng konting-konti lang naman, pero makikita nyo pa rin yung size comparison nila. Let's go ahead and try to do another size comparison. We have here the Detective Batman, or the White Knight Batman, and we also have here the DC Films Armored Batman from the Justice League movie, or the Batman vs Superman movie. Okay, so ayusin lang natin si Armored Batman. Okay, so as you can see, mas malangkad ng konti si Thomas, or si Armored Batman kumpara kay Thomas Wayne, but White Knight is smaller than Thomas Wayne. Okay, so let's try do a size comparison sa Bat family naman. So let's put here Nightwing, and we have here Batgirl. Teka, ayusin natin si Batgirl. So as you can see, mas matangkad si Nightwing kay Thomas Wayne, at siguro parang magkasing tangkad lang si Batgirl at si Thomas Wayne. So medyo a bit short lang talaga si Thomas Wayne. So I think mas kasing tangkad ni Thomas Wayne si Flash dun sa Flashpoint na series. But yeah, that's it for the size and comparison of the McFarlane Batman Thomas Wayne. And there you have it mga ka-otap. That's our unboxing and review for the McFarlane Batman Thomas Wayne. So what can I say? Sobrang solid ng figure natin. Sobrang ganda. It's almost perfect. Pero dahil nga sa wala tayong tight swivel, kahit man lang boot rotation or boot swivel, so hindi natin siya pwedeng sabihin na perfect figure na to. Pero sa overall look ni Thomas Wayne or the Batman is, para sa akin, is perfect na yung looks niya. Pero for overall, kasama yung mga articulation ni Batman, I think pwede na natin sabihin na 8 or 9 out of 10 para sa rating natin sa overall na rate natin kay Thomas Wayne. So I think that's it for our review. So I'm really excited na dumating na si Damian Wayne. So I think darating na siya next week or this week. So I hope dumating na siya na mas maaga para maitabi na natin siya sa Bat Family. Pero for this review, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button and the notification bell para sa mga hindi pa nag-update or para sa mga hindi pa subscribe sa channel ko. Just click the red button and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. And again guys, and kaotap, thank you for watching. Keep safe and sobrang ganda talaga. Ito, pasukin ito. See you on my next video.